When a wildfire strikes, you watch helplessly in disbelief as your home and your community are ravaged. As you console your family, you begin to think about the financial recovery. How can you possibly overcome this? The insurance company will require you to prepare a detailed claim in a form they deem acceptable to determine how much you are owed. First, you will need to recreate what your house looked like before the wildfire. This includes gathering plans and photographs that hopefully weren't destroyed. Next, in most cases, in order to collect all of your personal property benefits, you will need to inventory every single item, thousands and thousands, including their age, condition, and current replacement cost. And if you are considering rebuilding, moving, downsizing, or enlarging, there's no way of knowing how your insurance company will respond to your goals. Living on the West Coast, you have heard countless stories about the difficulties in recovering all that the insurance company owes. Many insurance companies rotate adjusters, making it very difficult to keep the process moving forward. There must be someone who has your best interest in mind that can assist you through this process. What if you had your very own adjuster, known as a public adjuster, an experienced professional whose team works exclusively in your corner, preparing, presenting, and negotiating the optimum amount for your claim so that you don't have to? That is exactly what we provide for you. Our job is to make sure you are comfortable and to get the most from the insurance company while working through the roadblocks they often present so that you can get back to your life and family sooner. That's what we do. Our firm has represented homeowners like you in every major firestorm event in the last 30 years, and we have garnered hundreds of letters of commendation that we're happy to share with you. So if you've lost your home to a recent wildfire, don't stress, don't wait. Call Adjusters International Matrix Business Consulting. We're ready to get to work for you.